Welcome to paradise.
Hi, my name is Jasper. We're here in Tilburg in the Netherlands at a charging location of Orange Charging. We've installed 240 kilowatt chargers of Autel here. Orange Charging is a charge point operator. We operate a network of chargers in Netherlands and Belgium and some chargers in Germany, and we sell chargers to professional customers. Feedback that we receive from customers is basically two things. One of them is a screen which is very clear and bright and also big, which can also be used for marketing purposes. The second part is the build-up quality of the chargers. Our customers love it. So the reason why we've selected Autel as a partner is basically three things. One of them is price. The price competitiveness is very good. So the second reason is the product lineup. The current lineup and also the future plans are very impressive. And then the last reason is the company which is behind Autel Energy and the professionalism they have as a company.